Hey guys, welcome to the first maths lesson that we are going to do. Okay, so we should be now, you might have done the first four lessons, you might not have done, but this is where I'm going to start from. I'm going to go through lesson by lesson, day by day. Okay, so the first lesson is going to be telling time to the minute. Okay, so what I would do, just have a scrap piece of paper with you just to do a bit of working out on so we can go through a few questions together. Now when I ask you a question, all you need to do is pause the video, okay, work it out and then carry on and resume the video and I will play it for you. I will go through the answer and show you how to do things, okay? So, telling time to the minute, lesson 1. Now, what time is showing on the clock here? Okay, so we've got our two hands. We've got our small hand and we've got our big hand. Now, the big hand points to the minutes, doesn't it? Okay, the big hand points to the minutes and then the small hand points to the hours. Okay, so we know that it is going to be sometime past 1 o'clock, okay, because it has gone, the small hand has gone past the 1, but it has not gone past the 2 yet, so it's something past 1, okay. Now, when we go round counting minutes, it counts up in fives, okay, so it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so this here, so 1 would be 5 past, okay, or let me change the colour, so that would be, this would be 5 minutes past 1 if the big hand was here. Then we carry on 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 past. We get to the 3 and it will be 15, or we say quarter past, okay, we say quarter past. Okay, we get to the 4 and that'll be 20, okay, and then each number keeps going up in 5, okay, so it's each 5 minutes, okay, so 5 will be 25, 6 will be 30, and then 7 would be 35. But as we know, and as we can see, that the big hand has not quite reached the 7 yet, so we know that our minutes hand is somewhere between 30 and 35, and all we have to do is count the little dashes to see where it gets to. So this will be 31, this will be 32, and this will be 33. Okay, so the time is 33 minutes past 1, or we write it as 1:33, or 33 minutes. Oh, please excuse me, I'm writing on a keypad and it's very difficult. Minutes past 1. I am going to be getting a mouse because this is far too difficult. Okay, so we can say it's 33 minutes past 1, but there is another way to say things, okay? There's another way to say things is that we can say if it's 2, okay? Because as the big hand is closer to going this way round the clock, okay, as we're going this way round the clock, okay, we would say that the time is 2 something, okay? If we were going around this way, we would say it's past. So, for instance, 20 past 1, okay, or 25 past 1. But as it's on this side, we say it's something 2. And what you have to do is you have to take away what it is. So we would do 60, because there are 60 minutes in an hour. We would do 60, and we would take away 33 to find out how many minutes we are to 2, okay, because 2 is the next hour along, so it'll be how many minutes we are to 2. Okay, so 0 take away 3. Now we can't do this, so we need to exchange. We take 1 10 from the tens column, okay, so then we have 5 tens left. And we exchange it for 10 ones, okay, so we had 0 ones and now we have 10 ones. 10 take away 3 equals 7. 5 take away 3 equals 2, okay, so we would say that we are 27 minutes to 2, or we could say that we are 33 minutes past 1. Either way of saying it's fine, but that is the other way that we say things, okay. So this is just a little bit of extra help. So we have our number line, so we'd be going up in 5s. It'd be 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and then we didn't quite get 7, so it'd be 1, 2, 3, as shown here, because it is the third dash along from 6, so that makes it 33. Okay, and then we would count backwards from 12. Okay, so we would have 60 here, then it'd be 55, 50, 45, 40, 35, and then remember it hasn't reached the 6 yet, so we count back, but this time we would count back 2. So it'd be 34, 33. Again, 33 minutes past 1, or 27 minutes to 2. Okay, one of those two. is fine. Okay, so we've got some questions for you now. So, what times are showing on these clocks? Okay, what times are showing on these clocks? So pause the video and have a go. Okay, so I hope you've had a go at those, and we're going to look at this clock first. Okay, so the small hand is pointing at the 10, so it's going to be something past 10. Okay, so we're going to go around for 5. So the first one is 5, so we know we're at 5 minutes here, but it hasn't quite reached the 2, so we know it's going to be between 5 and 10. If you remember, the 2 would be 10 minutes past 10. So we're going to count in one, so it's going to be 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we would say this is 8 minutes past 10. So we would say 10, and remember it's 08. Okay, you need to put the O in front. You cannot have just one digit. It always needs to be 2 digits with the time. So it'd be 10:08. Now looking at this clock's a bit more difficult because it's obviously on the other side. We have to count a lot further. So we would have 5, 10, 20. Oh no, not 20. Rubbish, Mr. Dobson. It's not 20, it's 15. Yes, it is 15. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, so it'd be 40, 41, 42. Okay, so we would say it is 42 minutes past 4. So we would say that it is 4:42. Or we could try it the other way. So we'd have to do 60, take away 42. Now 0 take away 2 we can't do, so we need to exchange again. So we have to do exchange. So it's going to be 5. 5 tens left and 10 ones. 10 take away 2 is 8. And 5 take away 4 is 1. So we could say that it's either 4:42, 42 minutes past 4, or we could say it is 18 minutes to 5. Remember, because that would be the next one. It will be 18 minutes to 5 because there are 18 minutes left before we get to 5 o'clock. Okay. So last question before you have a go. Okay. So the time is 3 minutes past 2, and I need to check my pizza every 10 minutes to make sure that it is not burning. How many times will I check my pizza before 3 o'clock? So, have a go at this question, pause it, have a go at the question, and then come back. So, let's have a go at this question. So, let's first draw where 3 minutes past 2 will be on our clock. So, we're going to have our shorthand going to the 2, okay, and then our long hand will be on the 3 minute mark, which is there. Okay, so now we need to count 10 minutes. So, all we need to do is we need to add 10 to the minutes column. So here it's 3 past. So we need to add 10. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here, so now we have checked the pizza once. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here we checked the pizza twice. Now, can you see the pattern of what time it is? Because here it is 3 minutes past 2, and here this would be 5 past, this would be 10 past, so 11, 12, 13. So we're going to check it at 13 minutes past. So we checked it once, and then we're going to check it twice here at this point. And what is this point? It's going to be 13 add 10, and so 13 add 10 is 23. So we checked it twice at 23. When we get to checking it 3 times, it will be at 33. At 4 times, it will be 43. And 5 times will be 53. And 6 times will be 63. But this is wrong. Why? Why is this wrong? Why is 6 at 63? Why is that wrong? Good. It is wrong because the clock only goes up to 60 minutes, doesn't it? It only goes up to 60 minutes, so we wouldn't have actually checked it at 33. So the last time we would have checked it is at 53 minutes, and so we will have checked our pizza 5 times. So I hope this has helped. Have a look at page 47 in your books and have a go at the questions, and then I'll post the answers on Friday. Okay? Good luck, guys, and thanks for watching.